Hi students, welcome all of you in video series of NCERT exemplar problems. In this video, I am going to discuss chapter number 9 named The Living Organisms and Their Surroundings of class 6 science. The video is very helpful to revise all the basic concepts. So I want you all to watch the video till end. Let us start with question number 1. Which of the following cannot be called a habitat? Desert with camels, pond with fishes, jungle with wild animals, cultivated land with grazing cattle. Desert with camel is natural habitat of the camels. Pond is the habitat of fish. Jungle is the habitat, home of wild animals. But cultivated land with grazing cattle, this is not a habitat. Because habitat is a natural environment where organism lives. Habitat provides an organism everything it needs to survive, like food, shelter, proper climatic conditions, etc. Now cultivated land is not an actual place where grazing cattle live. Okay, there they specially go to fulfill their food requirement. I hope you got. Question number 2. Which of the following are some features of plants? They lose lot of water through transpiration. Their leaves are always broad and flat. They lose very little water through transpiration, and their roots grow very deep into the soil. Now, which of the combinations above features are typical of desert plants? So desert plants के फीचर्स आपको यहाँ पे पिक करने हैं, ठीक है. टिपिकल ऑफ द डेजर्ट प्लांट. देखिए डेजर्ट प्लांट के जो रूट्स हैं ना बहुत डीपली ग्रो करते हैं मिट्टी के अंदर, क्योंकि वहाँ पे पानी की बहुत कमी होती है, इसलिए वो बहुत डीप ग्रो करते हैं. ये ऑप्शन तो आपका ज़रूर आएगा. दूसरा ऑप्शन है कि दे लूज वेरी लिटिल वाटर टू ट्रांसपीरेशन. ये भी बिल्कुल सही है. उनके लीव्स ब्रॉड एंड फ्लैट नहीं होते हैं, बहुत छोटे नुकीले कंटीले होते हैं. दे लूज लॉट ऑफ वाटर थ्रू ट्रांसपीरेशन. ये भी गलत है. तो आपका ऑप्शन 3rd and 4th सही हो रहा है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. बूझो कम्स अक्रॉस an animal having a streamlined and slippery body. What is the habitat of the animal? तो इसका habitat तो होने वाला है water, क्योंकि water animals have streamlined body shape, so it reduces the resistance while swimming in water, and slippery body helps these aquatic animals to easily flow in the water, so their body do not faces damage. Question number 4. Which of the following are characteristic of living beings? So 4 options are given. So characteristic of living beings is all 4, because all organisms do respiration, reproduction. They need to get adapted in the atmosphere, and they do excretion. So all the 4 options are correct. Question number 5. Earthworms breathe through their skin. Okay, this is called cutaneous respiration. Okay, so breathing occurs in earthworm through moist body surface. Earthworm lacks any specialized breathing organ like lungs वगैरह नहीं होते हैं इसमें. Okay, gills is present in aquatic animals, okay, like fish. Lungs are present in land animals like mammals, and stomata is the organ which is present in leaves of plants for the gaseous exchange. Question number 6. Which of the following is not an example of response to the stimulus? तो option A is watering in mouth when we see delicious food. It is the response to the stimulus. Closing of leaves of mimosa plant when it is touched. तो जो छुई मुई को टच करने पर वो बिल्कुल मुरझा जाती हैं, वो भी रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलस है. Shutting our eyes when an object is suddenly thrown in our डायरेक्शन. कोई चीज़ तेज़ी से आती है, बॉल फेंकते हैं तो हमारी आंखें अपने आप बंद हो जाती हैं, ये भी रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलस है. अ चिक हैचिंग आउट ऑफ एन एग. तो ये आपका ऑप्शन है विच इज़ नॉट रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलस. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Which of the following is correct for respiration in plants? So respiration occurs during day and night. Okay, the process in which organic substances are broken down into simpler products and result into release in energy, that process is called respiration. Okay, and respiration process takes place day and night. Question number 8. Which of the following is an incorrect statement about excretion? So excretion occurs in plant. Correct. Excretion takes place both in plant and animal. This is also correct. Excretion is the process of getting rid of excess of water only. No, वाटर ओनली नहीं है, उसमें आपके वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स में वाटर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजनस कंपाउंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन, स्वेट, है ना, एक्सेल्ड एयर, ये सभी एक्सक्रीशन में आते हैं. एक्सक्रीशन इज वन, सिक्रीशन इज वन मेथड ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन. सही है. सो योर ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Choose the set that represents only the biotic component of a habitat. So biotic component देखिए aquatic plant, ये biotic component, fish, frog, insect, ये biotic है, living part हैं ये सारे. यहाँ पे sand देख रहे हैं ये abiotic है, rocks abiotic है, air, soil, रॉक एबायोटिक है, यहाँ पे सॉइल एबायोटिक है, तो आपका सारे बायोटिक कंपोनेंट वाला ऑप्शन डी ही होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद रिप्रोडक्शन? तो इनमें रिप्रोडक्शन के साथ कौन सा एसोसिएटेड नहीं है? अ न्यू लीफ कमिंग आउट ऑफ अ ट्री ब्रांच, ये रिप्रोडक्शन, ठीक है, से नहीं जुड़ा है, बिकॉज रिप्रोडक्शन इज अ बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस इन विच ऑर्गेनिज्म प्रोड्यूसेस यंग वन ऑफ इट्स ओन काइंड. नाउ लीफ कमिंग आउट ऑफ ट्री ब्रांच, इट इज अ वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ, इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू रिप्रोडक्शन. नेक्स्ट इज डॉग गिविंग बर्थ टू अ पप्पी, दिस इज रिप्रोडक्शन. सीड ग्रोइंग into a plant, this is also a reproduction associated with reproduction. Chicken hatching from an egg, this is also associated with reproduction. So option number A is the desired option. Choose the odd one out from below with respect to reproduction. सो इनमें से ऑड कौन सा है? एग ऑफ hen, सीड ऑफ प्लांट, बर्ड्स ऑफ पोटैटो, रूट्स ऑफ मैंगो ट्री. तो इन सभी में देखें तो हमें ऑप्शन नंबर जो ये दिख रहा है रूट्स ऑफ मैंगो ट्री, ये डिफरेंट है. रूट्स ऑफ मैंगो ट्री हैज़ नो रोल इन रिप्रोडक्शन. देखिए एग ऑफ hen, सीड्स ऑफ प्लांट and buds of potato, it helps in reproduction. यहाँ पे vegetative reproduction हो रही है और यहाँ पर आपकी ये जो है product of reproductions हैं, लेकिन root of mango है, इसका reproduction के साथ कोई भी relation नहीं है. Question number 12. Although organisms die, their kind continue to live on earth. Which characteristic of living organism make this possible? So the answer is reproduction. Okay, reproduction की वजह से ही जो हमारे organisms हैं वो इस धरती पर बने हुए हैं. Question number 13. If you happen to go to a desert, what changes do you expect to observe in urine you excrete? You excrete a small amount of urine. Yes, डेजर्ट में यूरिन कम आएगा, लार्ज अमाउंट नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वहाँ तो पानी की वैसे ही स्वेटिंग से बहुत सारा पानी निकल जाता है. एक्सक्रीट कंसनट्रेटेड यूरिन, ये भी सही होगा. डाइल्यूट यूरिन नहीं आएगा, तो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 and 3 इज करेक्ट. सो योर ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन. अनस्क्रैम्बल द वर्ड्स, ये है आपका, इसमें हिंट दिया गया है. स्पेसिफिक फीचर और सर्टन हैबिट्स विच इनेबल अ लिविंग बीइंग टू लिव इन इट्स सराउंडिंग. तो ये तो बनता है एडेप्टेशंस. आई गॉट. Waste products are removed by this process. This is excretion. All living things respond to these stimulus. Because of this, we find organisms of same kind. It is reproduction. So hints are very helpful to get the answer. Using the following words, write the habitat of each animal. तो जो आपका हिरन है, डियर है, ये ग्रास लैंड में इसका हैबिटेट होगा. जो आपके फ्रॉग्स हैं, पॉन्ड में इनका हैबिटेट होगा. आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे बफलो कऊ प्रजाति है. सो इट विल बी फाउंड इन the mountains also, and camel, it is found in desert. So we solved this question. Now move to question number, ये जो मैं देख रहा था ना पिक्चर नंबर C, this is yak. Okay, yak is found in mountains, so doubt is cleared now. Question number 16, classify the following habitat into terrestrial and aquatic type. So grassland is terrestrial, pond is aquatic, ocean is aquatic, rice field is terrestrial habitat. Very easy question. Why is reproduction important for organisms? Reproduction is very important because it helps them to produce young ones of their own kind and maintains the continuity of their species. Question number 18. Saline water, hot water and sand are abiotic components of habitat. Abiotic means non-living. Habitat of plant and animal that live in dash are called aquatic habitat. So that live in water, that live in water are called aquatic habitat. Dash enable a plant or animal to live in its surrounding. So adaptation enable the animal. Plant and animal that live on land are said to live in terrestrial habitat. TERRESTRIAL, terrestrial habitat. Question number 19. Paheli has a rose plant in her garden. How can she increase the number of rose plants in garden? So Paheli can increase the number of rose plant by plant propagation method. She should plant the stem cutting of rose plant, okay, about 20 to 30 centimeter long pieces, okay, of 1 year old rose plant. When it is cut and their lower parts are directly planted in the soil, it grow into new rose plant. Why do desert snakes burrow deep into sand during day? Because the deeper layer of sand are cooler and they stay away from the heat of desert during the day time. Question number 21. Write the adaptation in aquatic plants due to which submerged leaves can bend into flowering water. Submerged leaves are long, narrow and ribbon like structure which are easily bent in flowing water and withstand water currents without getting damaged. तो पानी के अंदर जो डूबे हुए पत्ते होते हैं ना एक्वाटिक प्लांट्स के, वो रिबन शेप होते हैं, नैरो शेप होते हैं, ताकि जब पानी का फ्लो आता है तो उस करंट को वो आराम से वो जो है विथस्टैंड कर लेती हैं, फेस कर लेती हैं, डैमेज उनका नहीं होता. लीव्स कैन फ्लो ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर. ओके, तो इसमें अडेप्टेशन क्या है? लीव्स आर लॉन्ग, लीव्स आर हॉलो, अंदर से खोखले होते हैं, लाइट होते हैं, विच हेल्प लीव टू फ्लो ओवर वाटर सरफेस. तो इसकी वजह से लीव्स एक्वाटिक प्लांट्स के लीव्स पानी की सरफेस पर फ्लो करते हैं. Mention one adaptation present in the following animal. In camels, to keep their bodies away from the heat of sand, they have long legs, so it helps them to keep the upper part of their body away from the heat of sand. In frogs, to enable them to swim, so frogs have webbed feet which enables frog to swim in water. Dolphin and whales to breathe in air when they swim near the surface of water. So dolphin और whales ऊपर आती रहती हैं, so which have they have blowholes which help them to breathe in air when they rise to surface of water. Question number 23. Some desert plants have very small leaves whereas some others have only spines. How does this benefit the plant? So desert plants have good adaptability to conditions of water scarcity. So in order to conserve the water, small leaves and spiny plants minimize the loss of water during transpiration. What are specific features present in deer that helps it to detect the presence of predators like lions? So deers have long ears, so it helps a deer to hear and recognize the movement of predators very easily. And eyes on the side of its head allow it to look in all the direction, and it also run very fast, which helps it to in case of attack of predators, it helps deer to defend. Question number 25. Read the following features. Thick waxy stem. Thick waxy stem. Now we have to tell which type of plants bear thick waxy stem. Desert plants. Short roots, it is the feature of aquatic animals. Aquatic plants, I'm sorry. Cone shaped plants. So cone shaped plant is the feature of mountainous plant. Sloping branches, it is the feature of mountainous plant. Small or spine-like leaves, this is feature of desert plant. Hollow stem is the feature of aquatic plant which help it to swim or float on the surface of water easily. Question number 26. Like many animals, although a car also moves, it is not considered a living organism. कार को हम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म क्यों नहीं कहते हैं? बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स. Okay, all the living organisms are made up of cell, and car does not respond to stimuli. उसको आप टच करोगे, मारोगे, पीटोगे, कार कुछ भी रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेगी. बट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैव एबिलिटी टू सेंस देयर सराउंडिंग एंड रिस्पॉन्ड टू द इन्वायरमेंटल स्टिमुलस सच एज लाइट, टेम्परेचर and pollutants, water, etc. Car does not show any irreversible and permanent growth, okay, but all other organisms grow, okay, it increase in size. Now question number 27, what are adaptive features of a lion that helps it in hunting? Lion has strong paws, sharp teeth, long claws, so it helps lion to catch and kill its prey. Lion has brown body color which helps it to hide itself in dry grassland. Okay, so they avoid detection by its prey. And lion has its eye placed in front which allow is to know the exact location and movement of its prey. So these are some features. So this was all about your chapter living organism and their surrounding. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till I develop my next videos, stay fit, stay fine, stay connected. Bye bye.